Hello there. On July 11th and 12th, we are hosting our online Introduction to Dream Tending Summer Workshop. And given the extraordinary state of the world we find ourselves in today, we've decided to add a bonus, something that we've never offered before. We call it Dream Share. Dream Share allows you to submit a dream to us that is most pressing for attention in either written or video form. Now, we welcome any kind of dream. You may express a nightmare, a night terror, even a recurring dream theme that's been with you for many of the years of your life. On the day of the workshop, we will present you with some open-ended questions and some skilled dream tending facilitation to further your inquiry. And in addition, I'll be working with a number of those themes to open up the creative possibilities hidden and available in each dream, no matter how difficult and fearful. Join us in community. Let's do this. Let's do it together. I look forward to seeing you there.